for coming back. It's Monday morning, and I hope you guys had a nice Easter, staying at home with your family on yesterday. I had a pretty good Easter myself. So if you're first time, you know the drill. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the button so that you won't miss any of my videos. And if you're returning, I appreciate you. I appreciate you coming back every week. Appreciate that. So today, guys, everybody, they're on the website, on YouTube, they're making these nice masks, and they're all being creative, and we need to be creative right now. So I think that's a great thing that people is being creative. So I'm making masks. So I came up with one myself, my own creation. It's pretty much a headband. It's pretty much, you can get them at Walmart or Target. It's like a head wrap. Okay, and this, you don't have to go buy this, but there are all different kinds out there. But one thing I do want to point out to you. Now, you want to get the one that's like this, the wide one. It's kind of wide. You see how my finger here, and it's wide? That's the one you want to get. Now, this one right here, you see, it's not wide enough to make a mask. It's not wide enough. It's all pretty and stuff, but it's not wide enough. Another thing I want to point out too, you want to make sure that you have this seam right here in the middle. And they do have them at the dollar store too. They do have them, but you want to make sure it's wide enough. So let's go ahead and let's make this cool mask. It's very simple and it's easy. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it out of these coffee filters. These are going to be the filter that's inside. And also I'm going to do a test to let you see that it works, because I won't be able to blow this out, the lighter out. So I'm going to do a test. So here we go, guys. Look how easy this is. It's very easy. So I'm doing this. Open it up. Open it up and everything. So you see how the seam is inside here? That's what you want it. That's where you want it. Okay? So you want to turn it over like this. Okay. Now, I'm going to cut it right here in this seam, right here. Just cut it. If you can see that. Very easy. Very, very, very easy, guys. I came up with this. I'm like, you know what? It's got to be something I can do that's lightweight, that's pretty good. Because, I don't like having a lot of stuff on my face and start sweating and stuff. Just cannot deal with the sweating part, guys. And I know you guys probably like that too, some of you. But this is great, lightweight. So, here we go. Now, you want to have it here in the middle, the seam. See how that is? So, you want to get here, and you want to put, like, your finger right here. You want just a little slit in the middle, okay? A little slit. So, I'm going to just do this, hold it up. Make sure you don't cut the bottom of this. Just only the seam right here, okay? This is what we're going to focus on, just the middle. Just like that. Just like so. So, you see that, right? So I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go right on in here, cut that part. Then I'm going to come in here and cut this part. Like that. Cut this here. So what I'm going to do, I'm making a little area here so that I can just put the filter inside. That's all I'm doing. Putting the filter inside. So here we go. That's it right there. Okay. Now, I'm also going to put it up to my face, because this is where the filter's going to go. And you see how long it is? So you want to make sure that you have it right by your ear. So you're going to cut it out right by your ear. Like, you got to see how this is? The ear right here. Right here. So you want to put it down. Take your scissors. And you're going to go like this. Same thing again. You're going to make a little slit. This is super easy. Super, super easy. It ain't got to be all like, pretty. But I'm all for comfort. So you want to go here. Poke that in like that. And go like this. I'm all for comfort, guys. I don't know about you guys. It's all about comfort. And it's all about being safe, too. And you don't want to make it so big, because see how it stretches? You don't want to make it so big so, it won't fit your ear. So I'm going to come over here and do the same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we're going to start by right here. Pull it up. I'm almost done, guys. This is super, super, super easy. So, you know, I can be creative, come up with some kind of idea that I don't have to use no sewing. The best part about it, you don't have to sew. You don't have to sew anything, and you're just cutting. So all you're doing is cutting. And then you're going to go this end, cut. All right, so now I'm put up to my face. Whoops. Like this. Yep, they definitely fit. So now I'm just going to tie a little knot here. Just a little knot. I'll go like this. Because I think it's better just to tie a knot. You want to make sure you don't tie that little hole there either. That's where your ear is going to go. So make sure you don't want to tie that. And, you know, I think this probably, to make this mask, it's probably like 10 minutes tops. Because I already made one. So there you go. So you're going to pull this here, down here. You're going to come on this side. You're going to do the same thing on this side. No sewing at all, guys. I know I don't have a sewing machine. And I said, you know, and I don't even like sewing with my hands. So I said, I got to come up with something that I don't have to sew. And I don't have to use tape. So I said, I know tape would have been like very uncomfortable. So here we go. Pull here. So I said, tape will be uncomfortable for me. So here we go. We got that. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut this here. Like that. So it won't be like really big behind your ear. You won't feel it. I already made one anyway. And it's pretty comfortable. Just cut this off like that. My own creation. Now here's the kicker. Now, here's this little hole here. I'm going to take 2 of these filters, actually 3. I think you should take 3 at least, these coffee filters. So there's 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to do this, flatten it out like that, flatten it out, and fold it, just like that. Fold it. You're going to do this. Going to put it right here in this little hole here. Right in here, guys. Super, super easy. Super, super easy. Super, super fast, too. So, you can make your whole family one. You can even make your kids one. You can make kids one out of these, the little small ones. You can make your kids one. So I'm going to take my finger here, come through here, make sure I grab this part right here, push it open, here, grab this, and guess what, I'm almost done. Now the coffee filters, they're already like filters, you know, and the main thing about this, you can definitely change the coffee filter out. You know, it's washable. You can take the coffee filter out and put another one in. Put another one in. So here we go. That's how this works. Put it here behind your ear, like that. And then this one over here, like so. Oh, my earring out. Gotta have the jewel about now, earring out. Earring out on this one. Yeah. And guys, this is super, super lightweight. It's not heavy, nothing like that. You know, it just feels real comfortable. Now here's the kicker. I'm going to see if I can blow this lighter out. Okay, so I'm going to try to blow this out. Here we go. You see the flame is not even even budging at all. Don't want to cinch my hair. So anyway, it's lightweight, and you can change out the filter. You know, also you can change it out. Just take it out, and then put a new one in there. You put a new one. So there you go. Look how easy that is. And it's definitely lightweight. So anyway, this is how you put it in, guys. Put it in like that. Like that. Open it up. And there you go. And it just feels so good on my face. Feels so good. Come on, earrings. Okay, here we go. My hair. My hair. Okay, there you go. So, yeah. There you go, guys. Look. Nice creation, right? Why don't you guys try it? You should try it. And you're going to be amazed how lightweight it is. It's just a headband. And you may want to try to do this for your kids. Make a little small one. But one thing you guys don't want to do, try not to get the one like this here. You want to get the one with the lines here. Inside, the seam inside. Like I showed you before. The seams inside like this. Okay? You want to try to get that kind of headband. And then there you go. They're lightweight, washable, and you can take the filter out, use a new filter. And I think these filters are only about like $1.90-something. And I kid you not, you got to try it. And it's just lightweight. You don't have to feel like you have something real heavy on your face. And it just fits like a glove. It does. So, okay, guys, hope you like my video. And please share the video so it can help somebody else, too. Help somebody else out there who's not able to sew or whatever. So, just share my video. And hopefully it'll help somebody. Hopefully help you guys. It will help me. And I hope you liked the video today. Okay? You guys have a blessed week. And guess what? I will see you guys next week. Peace out.